Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Trading Secrets channel where I teach you how to trade properly. My name is Andrew, and today, I have something exciting to share with you. I've developed a powerful new trading system that uses the weekly micro trend to enter trades on the H4 chart. This system has proven to be highly profitable and is based on the pound sterling to US dollar pair. Let's dive into the statistics. The profit factor for this strategy is 1.64. The maximum consecutive wins and losses are both 10. The maximum drawdown is 74%, depending on the risk you take. This backtest uses a 0.01 lot size throughout to check the accuracy. Now, let's look at the equity curve. It started here, experienced a drawdown here, and now we are here. The number of trades closed so far is 387. This backtest started from 2003, and currently, we are in 2011 with 387 trades taken. Here's a brief demonstration of how this strategy works. I look at the micro trend on the weekly chart and then trade these signals on the H4 chart. We use a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. If your stop loss is 81 pips, your take profit will be 162 pips. As you can see, take profit hit. It's as simple as that. If you're interested in learning more about this system and want to be notified when I publish the full details, make sure to subscribe to this channel. This new breakthrough strategy will be published in June 2024. By subscribing, you'll be notified when I release the complete strategy and additional insights. Thank you so much for watching this video. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. This backtest is an ongoing project, and we are going to backtest the same strategy on different pairs. Subscribers will get notifications on other pairs where this strategy works profitably. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.